How are you all, guys? Working hard, hardly working? Which one? Alright, I've been hardly working since last time, meaning not at all, because we're doing all on the stream. So let's see what we have. We actually played it on Tuesday with Arash, and we noticed some problems. Like how the camera works and stuff like that. So we'll be working on that now. Oh, we have it really big now. Oh, and before that time, we actually made this robot. And actually, now that we increased the resolution, again, the health bars are broken again. So we need to fix that, I think, too. So I think we just... So Sheep and Arash have been talking all day. I can imagine that. I can only imagine what you guys have been talking about. Cool. I'll open the window. It's been raining all day, and you get a close-up of my face, which is nice. There we go. Ah, fresh air. So let's see here. Let's fix that health bar because it annoys me. Let's see here. It's not under setup. Is it under character? It should actually be under character, I think. Draw health bar. We should move this up here somewhere. So, what is it doing right now? Kind of interesting that it's not working because... just you! Let's see here. X plus position X. We take the width. And of course now it could be a bit thicker. Like, what if it was 4 pixels? Oh, we didn't actually... That should be 2, sorry. Let's make it a bit thicker as it is higher res. Sean saying, I didn't know how bad you treated Rush, but now I see the light. Exactly. I am a terrible person. So yeah, it's like the X. So each bar width is 20. But why is the X? Shouldn't the X be the position of the character? Very interesting. We're scaling it up by how many times? Let's see here. It might be because the GUI now changed. I didn't know that. So when you draw GUI stuff, it's gonna be wrong. So now we need to figure out, let's open the calculator. The famed calculator I keep playing. Look, scientific. So let's see here. I don't want to do this in my head. It's easier to do it with a calculator. See how many times. It's 3 times bigger. That's interesting. Because what we're doing, we're scaling it up for the right resolution. So maybe we should do is, let's see here. Again, let's, good old Google. So, port, game maker, some chords in the way, let's see here. Port view, port on screen. Screen and GUI, let's see here. Port. Note there will be a different one-to-one with application surface, which normally is the size of the room of the viewport. This means that when you have an aspect rate correction on in the global game settings in GUI, it's not when drawn in the letterbox. The here can be switched off using display state GUI maximize function, and you can also lock the GUI event. So what is this? So scales the GUI to a given width and height. The bar will lock the GUI event to a given width and height, scaling all components to fit display using that proportion. Well, let's try and see what happens. Sup Lawrence, welcome. You couldn't get him to dish any dirt? Oh, that's bad. I wish I was perfect. No. Nobody's perfect. Let's see here. Alright. What's up, Kneet? It's nice to see all you show up. What have you been doing? You didn't know I was streaming? What day is it? Konnichiwa. What day is it? You should know by now. You're Habibi #1 and you should know. Habibi #1 needs to know this. Yep, it's Thursday. I hope it's Thursday. Isn't it Thursday? Am I streaming on the wrong day? That would be awesome. Like, I don't know. I think it's Thursday every day now. Let's see here. Schedule. Do we have that, Naraj? I don't think we have that. Do we have that? I can check if we have that. I don't. Do we have a schedule command? The reason I didn't know was because I was watching a movie. Signed, Mr. K. Uptime command. All these requests. I thought uptime was a default command. Let's see here. Those are the default commands. Yeah, we don't have this schedule. Let's see here. Uptime. Let's see here. Uptime. Time, current time and select the time zone. No, we don't want that. Battle log. Name of current channel. Variable that count, countdown. Time left until specific time, count up, time passed in specific time. Last scrub song. League of Legends rank 0. I suck. Current time, 2 user, Twitch, Eurofile. This is too complicated. User level. I don't know. We have to look at how to do that. That's gonna work. Let's see here. Uptime. There we go. Thanks, Mr. K. We have now uptime. 13 minutes. I better work faster. Holy crap. We're losing time, people. We should already have coded everything. What does this do? I have no idea. Finally, you can get reset queue later. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know what this is going to do, but the bulk will lock the jog event to a given width height, scaling outcomes to fit the display using that proportion. I don't know. It sounds what I want, so let's just jam it into somewhere. There we go, it's somewhere. Unexpected. He does not like. Oh, look, the documentation even has bugs in it. What kind of documentation is that? Don't they do test-driven development like I do? Clearly, I tested myself. Oh, it's a bit better. Seems to be kind of working. It's kind of working. Let's see here. I wonder why that's not like the default behavior of the GUI. It's very weird. Now everybody spams uptime. Don't do that. Björn is God, he does not have energy. Yes, he doesn't need energy. He has created my Yeah, I created Arash. I am his master. Arash is like a Duracell bunny. You know, he needs a power up. My special ability that I don't need energy. I run on candy and coffee and sugar, and I run on sugar. Calm down, Lawrence. Let's not spam the time, or I will remove that command and you will never know how long I've been streaming. Nightbot is pissing me off. Alright, let's look at the health bar. It looked like it's almost there. So we did put that back. But the Y position was now all off. I wonder if we don't need that now. Bjorn, you created an art to make art for you. Exactly, didn't you do that? I hate these health bars. Game Maker, you were supposed to be easy, not complicated. What if you put scaling to 1 on 1? I wonder what that is. So it's half the size. So the scaling does do something. Display get width, display get height. I wonder, I don't think this is the way to go. Can I get the port on screen and I can just, let's see here. It's probably set GUI size. What if I just set GUI size? It's not. How do I get the port size? So let's see here. Game Maker, port on screen size. That's not code. Scaling for device. Sorry, we're not enabling you to do that. Screen save, display, display set, display mouse, get GUI width. Yeah, I could make it sticky like in the corner, but I don't want the GUI to be all offset either anyway. Like, yes, that's what I wanted. But this is X, this is port, right? So this should be the port on screen. So what if you just do, set the GUI size exactly to 0. I hope this is, height is the Y. Let's see what this does. Let's just do, because I'm not gonna have a mini map or anything. This is not a good idea if you're gonna do mini maps. Oh, well, that solved the problem. It removed the whole health bar. Let's see here. View export. Oh, now it's back. I wonder if you just scale it up. Can we do something like, so if we have a, I don't remember, I don't know which way it should be, but should be like view X view 0. Any of you guys have experience with this? Hello, Flowcobble. Welcome. Do you know, Flowcobble, any about rescaling the GUI? Okay, now it broke the whole thing. Or maybe it's the wrong way around. Sometimes you just have to test it. So the port divided by the view size. Next week is the Kiel week. Kiel week, what's that? Kiel week. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm not gonna fix this now. What I'm instead gonna do is I'm gonna go here and I'll figure that out later. Oh, that's why, because we have some weird view sizes. No, wait, the view size is normal. Let's just make it 1 to 1 and then we can figure out it later. No, don't delete it. The Kiel Week, German Kielerwoche, or Kiel Regatta, is an annual sailing event in Kiel, Germany. It's the largest sailing event in the world, and also one of the largest folk fest in Germany. Cool. Cool, Flo. Cool. So, there we go. So, yeah. So what we need to do is, because there's one problem, is that the camera will only now follow this character. So like you saw now you don't see the ninja at all. And I added the wrapping on when we were testing, just so we could try it out better. But what we will now do is actually we will create a trick. We need to fix the camera movement, and let's see how we're gonna do that. First off, of course, if someone's off screen, you should have like a bubble and show you where you are. Cool, Flo. Cute, like Arash said in the chat. Let's see here. So how we do this is, one way of doing it is we're gonna create a fake object. Or it's not a fake, let's just create an object called camera. We're gonna add a create and a step event. I think we need a regular step is gonna be fine. And then we're gonna add a script here per usual, and let's just add this one here. And then what we're gonna do is say here, so here we need to loop through all the players, and then let's just take so now we need to decide how it's gonna work, of course, too, but let's just start doing it. So we're gonna change the X and the Y at the end, and we need to loop for, I think it's global. Well, we'll just make an I and put it to 0, actually to 1, and as long as 1 is to, what was it again, the length? It was something like array, never remember it. That's the weirdest name that you never remember. It's so under standard. They should really change that. You should change it, Game Maker. You should change it. Just do length. Why do you need to have a weird name for it? Is it colliding with something that you're using? Array length 1D. Actually, we can just steal all of this. So we started 1 because we put it at position 1 at the beginning, not position 0. So it starts from there. Cute. So how are you guys? What are you working on? Are you working on cool stuff too? So var campus x 0. Campus y set 0, so we have something there. And then what we do is, let's just do with player, and then just do this is plus equals its position. Or should we do a min max? This is the thing now. So who should we follow? Should we do like an average, like the average position of 2? Because then both of them can be out of the screen. Or should it be the one that's highest up or the one that's lowest? You missed the start, Zekas. Sup? How's it going? I'm working on my so you're working, just like I'm working right now. You're doing some stuff. Logged out of Adobe and now it won't log back in. Yeah, I stole your password. No, just kidding. I didn't do that. Just sitting there spinning. Maybe their service is down. Ooh, Zika started coding gameplay. Holy congrats. It's an epic moment, isn't it? On the new game or your old game? You're doing some stuff. I'm now gonna make a game and I'm gonna code some code. Alright, let's see what was the highest X position. If X is bigger than cam pos X, then just set cam pos X to X. And actually not X. We want to look at it from a Y direction. But we can set both then the X. And we don't need to set. We actually don't need to set the Y at all. No, sorry, the X. Why I keep getting confused by Y and X? I never had that before. So then we just do Y is equals cam pos Y. Is that correct? Is that correct? A little loop. It's not nice to do loops, but whatever. For every frame. Sup, Afraga. Draw a line between your two characters and let the cam sit in the middle of it. Yeah, you don't actually even have to draw a line. You can just take the average of the two positions also. But the thing is, because you're gonna be falling all the time, or most of the time, it actually not necessarily should be like that. So now we have the camera object and it has some kind of script on the step. It didn't look like we needed to create yet. I don't know what object this is. What's the object 15? So we won't put any sprite. That means that it's invisible. So now when we go to room, and hey, welcome, I forgot. Thanks for dropping in. And it's a good suggestion. I actually do something like that. Usually I put it on an average position of the character. And then what I do is I smooth it so it's kind of like not moving. So it's kind of a smooth camera movement. It's actually using a low pass filter, is what it's called. Oh, look, we can see whole our level. So now we need to put in the object. So we go here and we go camera. I'm just gonna put it somewhere, maybe at the top. And then what we're gonna do, go to views, and here it says it's the following object character, but now we're gonna make it following object camera. Switch off this test off in the preferences. Where's the preferences? Delete, enable pop out, allow reload change, enable backup. Do you know where it is? Editors, web server, Steam, forum. That one. There we go. Yeah, that's right, sorry, was the false term. No, you can do the way you're doing. That's actually in Unity. You could actually take the position and then actually you can just it wouldn't be wrong like you said it. So let's see if now if I jump it goes down. Oh, I don't have two controllers now. Well, but at least it should now it follows the one that's lowest, so of course now one player is up there. Can I push him off? So now it should follow him or not. Are you working on games yourself, Afriga? Asks Arash. How can I push him off? Oh. Come on, don't die. Damn you. The robot is invincible. Oh, what happened there? Come on. Is there no way I could push him off? Maybe I can. There we go. Damn it. Okay. Where the hell did the other character go now? Oh, there we go. So it is working, but I don't know. Is that what we want? Is that what we want, guys? It actually won't work because what I'm gonna do next. Okay, maybe we shouldn't work too much on the camera yet. We need to figure that out once we have the game mode more further along. But at least we have something that's slightly better. But then what I was gonna do is, well, we talked last time that we should create the character selection screen, but I think I'm still gonna wait with that. I tricked you. No, just kidding. We might do something on that, but the thing we want to do now is actually work on the game mode still a bit. Because we noticed when we were testing it out on Tuesday on the stream that it wasn't really, it had a lot of issues. So working on the character selection screen is not necessarily the smartest thing to do right now. Boop, boing, boing, boing. So we have wrapping on, so when you go off the one edge, you come in the other. So you can't kind of go out of the level at all. And we have the falling of the level. So now what I want to do is, let's try something. Let's, I want to try a trick. I want to try to make it infinitely falling without you noticing. Maybe I should disable the other character. Can you disable just the object? Maybe I just delete the object, see what happens. Now it should be a single player game. There we go. So now if I fall, and then the character wraps around and then the camera wraps around. But the problem is now that, let's see here. How's the music volume, by the way, guys? Is it good? Can you hear me well? Last time, actually, Arash's mic was like disconnected for half the stream and nobody noticed. We couldn't hear what he was saying. I forgot saying working is a great word, more like a hobby, I would say. This is an awesome hobby. You never know what's gonna happen. So what I want to do is remove this fancy background we did because it's kind of obvious right now that, you know, when you loop through. So let's do that. You want to be a mod again? You want to be not mod, then you want to be mod, then not mod. You need to decide. There you go. Oh crap, that's light. Oh, my eyes. Oh well. So now what we need to do is make that transition more smooth. I wonder if we even go in. I want to because this is still a test level. We don't really care what it is about. So delete that object, delete that object. So, oh, what's that? Oh, we're adding like characters in that game. That's not what we want. What engine are you using, Afraga? Or are you making your own engine, perhaps? You never know. There are some people. Are you also working on Game Maker or using Unity? Or... I didn't make myself a mod, you silly bean. You just have to rejoin. Arash, stop being an old man. There we go. You see the abuse Wicked was talking about? There it is. There is the abuse. He cries himself to sleep every day. Oh, the balloon's gonna be in the way now. We might have to remove the balloon, guys. Yep. The balloon's gotta go, guys. The balloon's out of here. There we go. At the moment, I'm setting up a middleware for the game itself. I have some troubles with some JSON wrapper. Okay, cool. Are you trying to do like some kind of item database or high score database or something? So now this is what we want. We want this to be smooth. As it now kind of jumps. One way would be that we always have a empty screen. Empty screen at the beginning and at the end of the level. Whoa! Let's try that. Let's see. Let's try that first. Actually, you can also... Let's look at the wrapping code fast, because I think there's something there that you can use also. So, Game Maker wrap. Something wrap something something. Move wrap, there we go. Move whether to wrap. Order the files. How far outside the roaming fixed object must be to initiate wrapping. Yeah, we just, it's fine how it is. So actually the camera now, of course, jumps up. Can we get it to infinitely fall again? So we need to use the move wrap to fake, kind of create a fake level in a way. Oh. Yeah, you can join our Discord if you're crying yourself to sleep and don't have anybody to talk to. You can come and talk to us, or if you just need help with your game, that's another option. So we're falling infinitely. This is the whole game. It will be launched on our platforms. The only thing you can do is watch. That's the mechanic. So can the camera actually go outside of the game? Like, what if we did this? Let's go to the camera movement. So now we go to camera. We go into the step event, and let's just make it... Oh, of course we're already doing that. It's actually the following here. Views... On board to keep on objects. Well, what if we make it horizontal 320 and vertical 240? Then it should be centered, right? Are you guys sending out a call to Twitter before the stream that bring people in? Nope, we don't do that. We don't bring people in. We want them to get out. Get out of here. Come on, get out. Don't follow us. We are old men. Do not come here. Please test my cost. I'll do that at the end of the stream. End of the stream. I always do it at the ends. So now it's kind of centered on the character instead of... It does feel like he's continually going left now for no reason. Look, I'm not. Come on, stop it. Now it's falling straight down. Let's see what that looks like. So no, it can't actually push the border. So what if we then go into this, I think in movement, and we actually make this margin 240, which is half the screen height. Let's see what happens now. Except we don't want it actually doing it when you go up, do we? I don't know what I just did, but let's see what I did. Character died. What? Okay. What if it's minus 240? I think this is gonna create a bug, but who cares? Oh yes, very nice. We made it a mobile game. There we go. Yeah, that won't work. So I can't use that. So the camera can't move. So I might have to do my own wrapping script and this thing and not use the built-in one. Oh, I died again. What did I do? Thought I put it to 0. What did I just edit, I wonder? Destroying the whole game. There we go. I don't have any. There we go. Seems like there's some kind of weird gravity. Wonder if you're colliding with the camera or something. Let's see here. Falling. So yeah, we need to maybe make our own wrap, at least vertical wrapping. Ah, Arasamandar is also a bot. Let's see here. So maybe we just put the vertical wrap. So we set if we can actually put it here. So if x is bigger than view x view 0. Not x, y, come on, stop doing the x. And maybe even minus the half. Then we set x to 0. Not x. I keep writing x. Why vertical? What am I? Must been on drugs lately or something. Y is vertical. It's like I've never coded before. Arash, Discord robot time. Oh, crap. What happened? He doesn't like me anymore. I think maybe it's we actually use it for actually, would it work also for that? What was it? Display. No, room height. That's what we want to use. Height. Oh, it's not a function. It is a constant. Okay, still working. So now it does it before the screen kind of goes to the edge. And then what we need to do in this maybe is go to the room test area. Can I actually multi-select stuff? Let's see here. Let's see. So can we actually okay. Guess there's no way I could move all of these blocks like non-manually. Like I would have to manually move them like this. So let's see here, let's just move this, let's put him on top of that. Just trying to clear the whole first screen, which actually is a lot of stuff. We should actually keep this center area clear. Actually, I could just delete it, that way I'm not like messing up everything. Let's see here. Delete, 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 delete. Delete, delete. Alt D. Ah, cool. I haven't used the game. Can you actually? Oh, there we go. Oh. Cool tip. Let's move these out. Whatever. So basically, at the beginning and the end now, there shouldn't be anything. This is what happens when a rush does something. Well, either way, thanks for everybody who came. And there we go. Nope. Oh yeah. So now when it goes, it should actually spawn at 240. Game Maker enthusiasts there are. Niche cast. It's Game Maker, yeah. Game Maker, and I'm inside of a balloon. Trying to make an infinite falling game. Oh. Oh, looks not bad. I mean, it is a stupid way of doing it. But now I can fall infinitely. Wonder if I just delete everything. Let's delete the whole game. You never used Unreal Engine 4? Nope. I've used Unity. I've looked at Unreal, but I mean, it doesn't matter what engine you use because it's not the engine that makes the game, it's the developer. And we're making pixel art 2D games, so it doesn't really matter, you know, oh, let's make something in a software that's meant for bigger projects. It just doesn't make any sense. But yeah, you can do 2D games in that too, of course. Yep. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with Unreal Engine. I think the thing that if you haven't done a lot of games, you become actually like a lot of people are like game engine racist, and it actually doesn't matter. I worked in so many game engines, it doesn't really matter what engine you do. It's a bit like, you know, if you're a good guitarist, it doesn't matter if you're playing on a crappy guitar or a good guitar. You're just a really good guitar player. There we go. But I don't know why it keeps... It didn't used to do this weird force thing. Let's see here. Let's just check something in camera. It doesn't need to be visible. Oh, cool, you're making an endless RPG game. That sounds really cool. About a month, cool. You should show, do you already have a playable of your game? Or are you just getting started? Let's just clean up this a bit. What was I doing? I was trying to move something, I think, and we had that balloon thing. We can move that out of the way. So sometimes you take 2 steps back to take 1 step forward, which we did today. And not like your average basic RPG either, not yet. Ah, cool. If you ever want feedback and review, give up. Yep, we do on we review games like indie games, prototypes, give feedback on Thursdays. It's very weird. Well, not Thursdays, Tuesdays, sorry. This is Thursdays. Tuesday with Rosh. So we're 2 devs on a couch, 2 dorks on a couch, as they say, and we, thanks for the follow. It's Nichecast. Nichecast, sorry. That balloon is ruining my illusion. Damn you, balloon. Actually, I should just make it wrap around the other way around too. Let's just do a fast script to do that. So we just do the exact opposite. So if something is moving up, if y is smaller than 240, then y room height is room height. Discord. So for the people who don't know, Discord is a it's like a chat combined with well, I guess Skype has a chat too, but it's like IRC or something combined with Skype. So you have channels that are text, and you have channels that are fully voice. And we have our own channel. Still, it's spawning in the middle, I think. Yeah, I should have a separate script for. I know why it keeps doing that, by the way, now. I have an idea. Oh, I landed on the balloon. Ah! So, actually, what is our game mode? Because I think our game mode is not last now. So yeah, so you can join us on Discord. We have like a small community. We're already like, I don't know how many tens of people. We help each other, we motivate each other, we show each other's work. So if you kind of want to have a small community to help you, yeah, we'll create one when you go in. You just write your name and then you are joined. So let's see here. Death match. So let's put last, which means that all the blocks should start dropping, which is kind of scary what's gonna happen now. So now if we take, I think, did we empty the whole room of blocks? Yeah, we only have those solid blocks. So let's put in some blocks. Let's not go crazy yet, but let's put on in some blocks like cloud blocks. And I really hate this grid. Oh. Let's put in some blocks and see what happens. Nichecast, game, do you mean game called game dev? Yeah, we don't know what game, what are you talking about? Game dev? Made game dev? Made game development? No, we didn't do game development tycoon. We wish we made it. It's a really awesome game. I keep, oh, the winner is you. Oh, it's because it's last man standing, so we actually have to make it like -1 or something. No. We wish we made it, but we didn't. So now it falls. And I think they get deleted when they go out of the screen, so. Yeah, I need to do a friction, an air friction on top of the last touched ground. So if we go here, I think it's actually part of the jump script, which is actually kind of wrong from kind of what responsibility it has. So if you go to jump, last ground speed is horizontal speed. Then if is grounded, if not grounded and character is not allowed, the rotation is horizontal speed. Yeah, so here it is. So here we should just do last ground speed. This times equal 0.01 or something. No, 0.9 or something. 8. So it'll slowly calm down. You mean the actually I need some help. Come on Discord. If someone's Discord that can help you, you can ask them to, Costa. If you ever need any help with 3D, I've been using Maya for 9 years. I'm using 3D Max for just over a year now. Cool, Nichecast. I keep calling you Nightcast. Damn me. So, yeah, Nichecast. I need to learn that now. Definitely would need help. I mean, there's always, need for people who have expertise. Oh? So let's try it now. Let's try to land on something. See if I jump. How fast does it lose the momentum? I think it's quite fast. We could make it like much. Well, not much, but a little, like even less. Very slowly. Oh, you're in the welcome room. The welcome room just has the rules in our Discord. Need to really fix that. Need to try this now. So how long will I go sideways now? The other option would be that it actually does that. We wouldn't do this, but what we would do would be Well, let's just keep it at this. I think 0.99 is enough. Oh, you didn't like Softimage? Yeah, well, Softimage doesn't exist anymore, so it doesn't really matter anymore. But yeah, now we have some kind of infinite runner. It's of course very repeatable. So we need to procedurally, I guess, the secret dark word of any coder, procedurally generate a world here. I actually don't know do we actually need to, for every frame, set this? Like, what if we instead did horizontal speed just doesn't get touched, nor does last ground speed, and what we instead do is not jump k held, but as we jump, I don't even know if we need that. Do we even need this then anymore? Oh yeah, we do need it. So then we put horizontal speed. There's no friction actually, so there shouldn't be any problem. Sup Corgi, welcome to the stream. Hello Habibi, how are you? Adirav, hello. Sup Adirav02. I'm good. How are you? Welcome to the stream. Are you making a game or are you... Holy! Yeah, now at least I have very good air control. Oh yeah, that's why I apply it. Oh yes, I remember now. So we then have to change here because it puts the... Oh, thanks for the follow, Adirav02. My name is Adir. Oh, okay, Adder. I don't know which one of those. Adir? I don't know. Adir maybe? Yeah, we're working on a game here. A Twitch game. Well, it's not a Twitch plays game, but... Being bad Corgi, have the stream open in background on the office PC while doing paperwork. We can help you with your paperwork, Corgi. Don't worry. The first one. I don't know which one that was. Adir. I don't know. Jewish. Oh, cool. Adir. Huh? One of them. We'll keep repeating your name the whole stream. That's what the stream is about. It's about repeating people's names. Welcome to the stream where we repeat people's names. This is a game we developed over 5 years. I have 10 years of experience of repeating people's names. Let's see what is the last name we have in the chat. Arash Samander. Arash Samander. Yeah, Arash is Jewish. I look different from them all, yeah. Yeah. I kind of ruined the whole feel of the game now. Maybe I should just go back and then fix that later. Because this is not what I was supposed to be working on anyway. So we just... Oh, of course I can't undo anything. Because I am a horrible programmer. There we go. The best name I heard since crisis number Exclamation, 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 kappa. Error in code. Oh. Last ground speed. I think it was like this, 0 times 0.5 plus equals divided, whatever. He likes Crisis Pound. Crisis Pound. It is a new dog simulator. Oops. There we go. Crisis Pound. That blue is really bright. Adir, are you working on any games? Yeah. Are you working on any games? If you do, do share. If you don't, that's okay. So now we're falling, we're running, blocks are dropping, we're falling, and we land on this little block. So let's see now. The thing is now, will this work actually with several players? This won't work with several players. Infinite Faller. Wait. Wait, 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 wait. Holy crap! You really can boost up the speed using the attack. I think it's a bit too powerful. I think it's in. Doesn't it do damage? No, it's not in that. It's in the attack script. It probably puts. Maybe 1. Is that the actual amount of dashing? No, I'm 13 years old. I'm learning now HTML and JavaScript. I believe next 2 years I will make a game. Cool. Yeah, cool. Are you working at? Are you learning at school, or are you? Or are you just doing it on alone? Yeah, Raj teaches. You can do a game at 13. There's nothing, especially with Game Maker and stuff like this. It's really makes it easier. There's a lot of good tutorials out there. Let's see. So what happens now if we add another character to the level? Because this is a multiplayer game, not a... There we go. And let's add another character. Let's just add him next to this one. See them bug out now. You... Nichcast, I'm 24. Cool. So now if I push him off... Ah! Yeah, it doesn't work. It does not works. Yeah, old people like Arash. Corgi is grandpa? Congratulations! I am a failed game programmer, as I cannot make this infinite looping. No, I was kidding. Trying to figure out a way. So much, it's kind of a combination of the camera movement and the wrapping. The other way would be to make the whole world move instead. But that becomes also a bit difficult because the movement needs to be also, it's kind of like relative to a lot of things. Let's see here. Let's change how the camera moves just for a sec. That's not gonna help, is it? So if you have a falling character and it falls, the other would be that we don't allow the character to go out of the screen. What happens then if you stand on something? Or if the screen goes down all the time, no matter if the character is there. Yeah, you actually don't have to install it, as it is definitely better than installed. It also can work on your browser. Yeah, I do prefer also the non-browser versions. If I do an average, and I can also do a max distance. It's a difficult game to make. Very difficult, very difficult. Moving the objects could be an option. What's that? What does it do that for? What if you do it the average and see what happens, just for fun? What is the difference between languages? If I get a chance to run a game in my browser or install, I would install it. Can raise your frame rate too. Discord actually surprisingly, there's one only bad thing about having Discord in the browser is that it actually like the voice, you can't have the voice activated when you're not in the tab of that browser, or you can, but it's kind of buggy. We have to use Chrome, and there's a lot of Java. I don't think they have Java Costa in Unity. They have Unity script and C#, and then Boo script. I don't know if they even support it. So now this is the problem. And this is the average, looks like this. That's the problem. If the other character actually exists when he goes out of the screen, the other way around would be to actually create an extremely long level. I wonder how. I want to know game though for Android and iOS. C# is easy and C++ is powerful. I would say they're almost as powerful. Yeah, I wouldn't say C++. It's older, of course, but it's not old. It's used a lot still today. I don't think it matters what you learn at the beginning, because if you learn C++ or C#, you probably over time it's very easy for you to learn either or. Just learn one language if you want to become a programmer, and learn it well. Corgi taught himself basic. Yeah, I think a lot of people did. That was the only way you could learn back then. Punch cards, that's old. Yeah, punch cards, that are definitely. My dad started programming with punch cards. That's how old it is. He's 70 years old ago or something. Cool, $15 is cheap, except if the currency was different back then. Let's see here. So another way would be that we actually just make a really long level. Like we would make it so that we actually had time to have a lot of gameplay in that. Like, what if it's 10 times long? Wonder how much it would like that. Let's turn off the... Let's go here to... movement. Let's delete this code. Not that code, but this code. And then we can do global age wrap. Vertical wrap, sorry. And then in setup, actually we need to do something, because now in setup, it sets it here, where it shouldn't set it here. It actually should set it per game mode. So if we go to game modes, we go to deathmatch. We would set it if in game. And in deathmatch, we don't have vertical. But if you do game mode last, we will. Actually, we won't have an either on that. Let's see here. Assembly, that's old. Yeah, there's a lot of different age. It's like arguing what is an old, culture or something. It's always something older. Oh, you could write your name in game binary. Cool, Corgi. I don't know how to do that. I haven't had any use of that. I'm trying to make a log icon, but it sucks. I win! I can help you with advice. This is not about. Hardest programming is Motorola Spark assembly example. I think punch cards are harder though, dude. Hardest language is Finnish. That I don't know about. It's subjective. It's very easy. I speak it. My head exploded after question 1. Exactly. Oh. It's not set now? Well, let's just, whatever. Let's not do it this way. We don't have time playing around with weird things. Let's just have it here and we can adjust it later. What happened? What's this third character falling? Who put him there? Who are you? Why are you here? Alt D. There we go. Bjorn, can I help? Bjorn can help you. What? Yeah, I definitely know HTML. It's not really a programming language though. So now what if we go back? Let's go back to the movement script of the camera. And here in execute piece of code, we'll go back to this version. where it's the one who has fallen the most. Falling. How much gameplay did we get out of this? Sometimes it's nice working when you're... There we go. That's quite a lot of gameplay, right, guys? Arash, what do you think? Is that a lot of gameplay? That's enough time to have a bit of combat. And this way we can hand construct the level instead of having them like procedurally anything. Yeah, retrace tools is good. Yeah, on Discord you can post some coding help and I'll read it through every day. And I can, oh, there we go. And then if you add a lot of stuff there in between, we'll have I think that's enough for now. I think it's easier to do it this way than start doing any kind of infinite looping. Only problem is we keep adding stuff when we're trying to click and drag. But yeah, we don't, this is gonna take a while to populate. Holy crap. I wonder if now, this is the, again, yeah, whatever. So we're using Git. So let's see if we can actually, for how to scale, but keep aspect. I think it scales by default in Photoshop and keeps aspect ratio. Mr. K. Oh, thanks for the follow, Shiruna. And welcome to our channel. I can show you fast. It should be by default. Oh, while that loads, we can look at here. So what I was gonna do is go to, oh, there we go. So if I make a image here, 500 by 500 square. So when you do image, image size, if this is locked, so constrain proportions or keep aspect ratio. So if I now change this to 600, also the height changed to 600. If I remove this and I change this, it'll skew it. So it should by default be on. Yeah, it's better if you post the question in Discord if you have like more complex, because I can then look at it when I have better time. What was your question? Oh, you're just asking about the exercise. But Mr. K, I hope that helps. So what we can do, because we're using Git, so we have a version control, so we have versions of stuff. So here, we actually deleted a lot of stuff here. So what if we do here that we actually remove this change, go back. Oh no, it is still, maybe we have to restart. Let's see here. I'm trying to get the level back so I don't have to recreate it. Let's make a game. So here's nothing now. Maybe we remove this one. That means also we don't have a camera object now. So now if we start Game Maker, so the text channels are on the left side. So you see text channels as a header, and after that you have like the channels you can post stuff. You can't post it in the welcome channel, which you join by default. Oh. Now we delete the whole room, I think. Undefined. Interesting. Let's see here. We ruined our whole game. Oh, I removed it. That's not what I wanted. There we go. See us break the game on live stream. So now it should be back. And when I open it, I have all the stuff I had before. And now in height, we do 10 times the height. And it will create this really amazing sky effect. So now if I drop, oh, the camera actually, it's not set. It might not like that. So let's go and add that camera into the game. Objects, actually follow. So add a camera, and also in views here, it should be, well, horizontal doesn't matter because it shouldn't move at all, but vertical it should be, I kind of like that, and it should be following the camera. So now let's try it again. Oh, you found it? Adir? Really good. So now we have the level back, so we don't have all this. Oh, you're inside the blocks. So now we should fall forever. Sunset. Sunset, sun up. Maybe we can do something more. We don't want to make this high picture, so we have to figure out another way to do the background, actually. I think he hit the ground. I kind of like that they fly. There we go. So, yeah, learn to code actually. Learn to code and learn to make games. You can do it at the same time. And it actually is really good because you learn a lot of things. Because games are not that easy to make, but do start with an easy game. Don't go too difficult in the beginning. Start off simple and then move up as you get better. There we go. Ow! The blocks are hitting me. Oh. I'm stuck on it. I'm stuck on the block. I need to get out. There we go. Can I move on the screen now? Nope. So now we could do the same. Actually, we changed the game mode that it was -1, so now it's last man standing. So whoever's left last. There we go. Holy crap, this is like things are falling and I'm stuck. Can I get it out with hitting the block? Get off me, block! We should be in the same relative speed. You shouldn't be pushing into me. The winner is you. Kill 0. So I had this idea, what if they had an object, like a parachute or something you have to catch while you're falling? But then again, it will get stuck on objects. Ow! MU block, I am stuck on you. Ah! Yeah, I have to figure that out. That's an annoying bug. There we go. So I killed him. Let's see here. What if I make them invulnerable for now? So do damage. So here, shake them out, that's fine. HP, so we remove, now it doesn't reduce HP if you hit someone. This is why you always should have like 2 players or something playing, so you could test these out more easily. Crap! He's falling down with me. So now we're falling at the same speed. And I can use the attack to actually move around in the air. Can I get to him? Let's see. Come on! Come on! It's like I can't. I can go faster, but I can't really go up. So we should have more air control once you're in free fall. Uh-oh. Let's wait for him. There we go. No, I'm stuck somewhere. We should allow you to fall faster when if you're falling behind the screen. That way you could catch up, like whoosh, or then that you can have control how fast you're falling. Those are things we should think about. That balloon is buggy. Let's remove it for now. I don't need it in the game. I don't need bugs in my game. And let's see here. There we go. Yeah, Raj, it's easier said than done. Now we're falling. Should be interesting. There we go. So let's see here. So we have vertical speed. This is where the gravity is applied. So push right to float left. Push up to float left. And push down to float left. No, that can't be. Oh yes, push down to float left. And push left to float left. Push left to die. Push left to win, you mean? Push left to win! To win! Alright guys, let's see, what are we up to? So, what would that be under then? Because actually the jump right now handles this. What if we give them full air control for now? Uh-oh, we pressed... If you ever have this problem, it's because you put on insert. It sometimes does that, and then you're screwed. Tag VR. But yeah, I don't recommend using VR except if you're really gonna do a break line in the text. So now we can move right and we can move left and we can get hit by meteors falling and you need to dodge them. It's a new game, dodge the meteors! I made a new game, I'll ditch everything else. This is not a platformer anymore. This is a dodge meteors game where you dodge meteors. They hit you, you die, and you lose. Wow. I thought you meant in HTML, says Rash to Adram. Yeah, I think he meant just in the message. Yeah, holding shift and enter. So now we have this movement. It's like a satellite, look. Oh, can I just move it slightly? No, I can't. Actually, that's a bit annoying. I think I am oh, gamepad. I think I am gamepad access value. Slow motion. Okay. Horizontal speed. Yeah, I am rounding it. What if I don't round it at all? I think it's because I did that because I have a problem that the zero dead zone is bad on my controller. So now we can move really slowly also. So now when you're rotating, you can rotate also really slowly. Ding! Yeah. Oh, I got stuck! Ah! Ah! Come on! Can I get the no? You can do collision if the block to lose. Yeah, I could do that if you collide in the air. It actually, you just go. If the block hits you like this, you just go. So you actually have to dodge them. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh, ow! Now I would have died already. Oh. This is like a mini game inside of the game. So now we need to make it up and down. We just have sideways. So where would we put that? Because I guess we should just add it here for now. So if not grounded, if I think there's something called vertical max, right? Max vertical speed. If vertical speed is equals the max speed, so you're at terminal velocities. The terminal's velocities says. The terminal's elicitalities. But actually we are actually not reading the up and down at all. We're just doing the horizontal, so we actually need to read that. So let's call it. Why is this plus equals? It's kind of interesting. Whatever. Up and down. It's called up and down. That's what I call it. It's the up and down because it goes up and it goes down, and you're going down all the time while I'm going up. And then we read the verticals, and then we see here we put the. But now we actually can't do it here, can we? Because if we do it here, actually we can override the vertical speed. So what if we do vertical speed plus equals up and down times, I think we had a movement speed, right? That would be like, say it moves the same. This is a freaking terrible mess of a code. We actually have to go back and it's refactoring time, guys. It's refactoring. I hate custom fonts. Sometimes they don't come across from computer knowledge. Illustrator's pissing me off, damn it. Yeah, I hate fonts too. I wish I couldn't read. So now, oh, can I now move up and down? I guess not. Guess not. Actually, what is the stack? Just stack. The stack. The stack le caractère. And I do not know any French, so don't kill me. So gravity, collision. And where were we setting it now? We were doing this in jump, right, or something. So that's after, so we're doing rotate and all that crap. Up and down. Actually, you wouldn't notice it because the camera is following the character to a precise thing. It's the camera, so even if you did move, it would just slow down. It would feel like you're slowing down. It's only if you would actually have that average position. This should only feel like you're slowing down, actually. Maybe I have to make him fall too now, so that we can have two guys falling. Oh, crap. There we go. But yeah, it's not working anyway. Well, that did something. What did I do? I am moving something now. But it's not... What was doing that? Something did change something, but I don't think it was... Let's look at gamepad, game maker, mapping or something. Gamepad input. So we want... This is stick L. I don't know what stick L is. Oh, it's the stick pressed. So axis LV. And we did that right, guys. We did that right. LV. Yep. LV. Times movement speed is up and down. It's up and down. And then take the up and down. Oh, we misspelled it. Weird I didn't throw an error. Oh! Meat boy. I'm sticking the logo to the wall. Well, better stick it on the wall than somewhere else. Oh, dodge. Can I go down? Can I go up? Nope. I'm moving down now. I don't know why. What's going on? I don't know what's going on. I think here it checks right. If vertical speed is small and if vertical speed is bigger than max vertical, actually, else vertical speed should be equals max vertical speed. So you can never, by gravity, at least do it. Alright, I posted the exercise. Okay, cool. How's everybody doing? Not bad, good. Yeah, yes. Everybody's doing really good, except me. Can't figure this out. Okay, now it's moving. There we go. So now I can... It's kind of not really smooth, but you can now move. Yeah, it looks weird. It's not really smooth. Maybe we should... Let's see if I just do... I don't know why this isn't a jump. We should add this somewhere else, but... maybe we don't take it time. Oh, I took it in times movement speed here. But I also did it here, right? Yeah, I was doing it all over the place. Movement speed times the root of movement speed. I don't know, someone will eventually help you. There's just keep an eye out. Yeah. I can help you definitely. I'll be streaming still for a couple of hours, but after that, I don't know when you're gonna go to sleep, but maybe I can help you then. Let's kick this guy off his pedestal so we can see. Yeah, now it's moving smoothly. Look, Arash! Upwards is a bit jittery. Awesome, awesome, awesome follow from Awesome. Oh, we've been up for 1 hour 46 minutes 11 seconds. This is very good. Very good, good. Ow, what happened there? So now we have kind of an air control. So if we keep falling, we can kind of skydive. Oh, and dodge blocks. Shh. Those are like snow blocks. Is this gonna be randomly generated? I don't think so. I don't know yet. I don't think so. Because I have grander plans. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, we both died. Who won? Who was the last guy? Kicking off. Let's see if I can catch up with him now. I'm just pressing down. So I should get a bit of a bonus on the max speed now. So now we should make a thing where it shows where you are. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna catch up. We should make it so that no matter what, you get to the edge of the thing. Like it basically teleports you if you get behind too much. Hey guys, sorry I'm late, but I was on the hospital because of my sister. Yeah, I heard, Fabi. I hope she's okay. It's awesome that you could come, but you know, go also take care of your sister. That's more important than seeing me goofing around. How are you, by the way? How's your sister? If you don't want, you don't have to answer in the public chat. You can also put it in Discord if you want. I hope she's okay. Yeah, Fabi's actually, he just started. He's 15 and he just started making his game just this Friday, and he's already has out his first version, his first playable. He made a small, like, he calls it Fatty Bird. It's a small, like, Flappy Bird copy, but it's good to, when you're learning things, you can copy and then you learn and make it better, and then over time, then you can make it your own once you have that finished. So he did an awesome job on that. We actually played it last Tuesday and enjoyed it immensely. Yeah, he's VIP, very special, VIP. But yeah. So let's see here. I'm gonna look at some stuff. Let's see here. Camera. And remember, guys, those for the first time, on Mondays, Arash will stream, who's in the chat. So we're two devs streaming on the same channel, and he streams about art and design. So if you're interested in how to learning how to make art, please watch him on Mondays. Same time, same place otherwise, but on Monday. Yeah. All our thoughts are with you, Fabi, and your sister. Let's hope she definitely will be a-okay. Let's see here. So, yeah, keep us posted, as Arash said. And thanks for the follow, Dragon of Dread. Thank you. Let's see here. Oh. Oh. Oh, now I got stuck again. I really need to make that if you get hit by those, you die or something, rather than get stuck. It's the collision script basically doing it. So, I was gonna make the camera movement. Actually, I wonder if it's gonna anyway be better. The thing is, if I do an average, it's not gonna be good. Yeah, on Tuesdays we do talk about game development and we play your guys' games. So if you want feedback, if you want reviews, send it to us. Go to gamedevcompany.com and send it there. There's submit your game. Just put a download link and we'll let you know when we can review it. Please let us know if you have it doesn't need to be a finished game. It can be a prototype. It can be any type of game. It needs to be a game that you can play. That's the minimum requirement. And we promise you we won't be harsh. We know, we're both also game makers, so hopefully we know, like showing something that's incomplete is always difficult, but the game becomes better because of it. Yeah, Dragon, are you working on games or are you interested in games? Are you new to game making? Or it's always nice to hear your guys' stories. Yeah, I got stuck somewhere now. But yeah, I think this is getting along. Now the camera though. In all games, camera things are difficult until there's only one way to make it well. Cool, yeah, definitely. You can see me do lots of bad code, but you will also see me improve on that bad code. But if you need any help, you can also join our Discord, and we love to help you guys. We have a lot of different people from different backgrounds, coders, artists, designers, and we help each other if there's any problems. We help fix bugs and stuff like that. Water, if you're thinking I'm not gonna be. Yeah, people always think just because I'm finished that I'm drinking vodka, but thanks, Lawrence. Yeah, Arash and I have been working on games for God knows how long, and we always wish there was a community where we could talk to people. We could, have someone to share our thoughts. When we went to school, which we always refer in this thing, like we studied game design and production at university, we had a really amazing community there and, all our friends. But after we actually graduated, we don't have that community anymore. And we were like, yeah, that community was really awesome. A lot of inspiration, a lot of ideas were bounced around. We had people testing games. And now we're like, hey, couldn't we create that online? Like, why not, there's a lot of game developers or people who want to get into the game development. Why don't create this kind of positive, nice, like we had friends at school, why don't you just create the same community online and invite people over, and over time hopefully we'll become like a nice community where, kind of a positive attitude and everybody's helping each other. Thank you, Fabi, you're the best. You guys are the best. You're the guys who make the community. If it's me and Arash here sitting and talking to each other in front of the camera, that's not community. That's us sharing. The community is when you guys talk. You talk to us through Discord. You have voice chats. We chat and help each other, send links, share knowledge. Like if there's a good article or a new method or new program, sharing you know, everything we learn. Already I've learned, for example, I started learning this game engine at the same time I started streaming and making this game that I'm working on now. Keep closing and opening this file. That's because I can't really decide on how I want the camera to move. So there's of course several different options. One would be to kind of make the average. So if one character's here, the screen would be here. But then if someone's falling too fast, both of them will be out of the screen. Now what I'm doing is that it is always the one that's fallen the furthest down. That's not nice either. I actually have an idea. I kind of would like to make an object. What if you make the camera actually, let's call it a parachute. I'm just gonna play around with an idea here. So hang on for a second. And let's do the art. This is the reason I like Game Maker, by the way. So watch now. Open your eyes. Watch. This is why I use Game Maker, not Unity. I love Unity. I love actually the guy, I don't love him, but I really like the guy who makes the 2D for Unity, but they're falling behind. And I'm waiting for them to make this feature in Unity and I'll swap back to Unity. But so, I want to make a parachute, but I need something that looks like a parachute. We don't have here anything that fits here, so let's just create a group, call it objects. We go here, we create sprite, now I have a new sprite. I call it parachute, just for now. We can call it something else, and actually we add the sprite in the beginning. Then we do edit sprite, we create a new sprite. 33 is the resolution we're running on, and then we shouldn't create extra. We go in here, it's right now white, so let's get back to the block pattern, which shows that it's transparent. Let's draw a parachute. Okay. So the parachute, it'll have like some kind of straps. Maybe here. So it'll have straps, this brown leather straps. I don't know why I started drawing it brown, but it is now a brown backpack, very classical. This will be a bit lighter. I'm using right now the mouse. I'm not using my Vacom or anything like that. So even if you have that, there we go. Let's take that, take the opacity a bit down. Put the pen, shade it a bit. We can even go on the strap a bit, that's fine. That looked bad. Actually, let's go back a couple. We don't want it on top. We want to create just a slight 3D effect. And then actually we take a very light color, like almost white, and we go here, and we just draw here a bit of highlight, like the light is hitting it right there. Actually, this backpack is too big. It can't be this big. It should be more like that size. It blurred it a bit, but who cares? That's the backpack now. There we go. Actually, we should center the origin. What is the mask? It's a square, that's fine. Okay, so now I have a backpack. So, let's see what you guys have been talking to. Sorry, I got so immersed in my art. So, this game, we've been working on like 30-40 hours, not more. So I only been working on while streaming, so that means 3 to 4 hours per week. Now it's been a couple of months, so you know, 30-40 hours probably. Yeah, so and we, by the way, we're not engine specific. I worked with Unity and Game Maker. There's people who actually in our community who's made their own engine, and there's some, I think, is anybody working on an Unreal Engine right now? I don't know. Your sister said so Fabi said, so guys, my sister answered me on WhatsApp. She said, I don't know those guys, but greet them from me. She said it's sweet from you. Thank you. And that's awesome. And that's a really good sign that, you know, she can text So let's take that as a positive sign. But I was saying, think game dev company as a company of game devs helping each other for something. So like a company, like, you know, a company of fellow wanderers, or a company of merry men, or you're having company come over. I really don't want to make this game, so I learned that platformer code basics. I don't know the rest. Okay. Yeah, Lawrence, just in the beginning, if you're really learning to code, really learning the basics, follow our tutorial. Game Maker, go to Sean Spalding. Unity, there's hundreds. Unreal Engine, there's hundreds of tutorials. Follow one that has a game that looks like the end results looks interesting to you. And I bet you will learn a lot. Don't be too kind of critical in the beginning. Think in the way that whatever you make is going to be awesome because you made something. Right? You will be, once you made something, like one game, you've created a game. Now you can move on and make it something different, bigger, more correct, because you new skills, then you know actually what to do. If you start off too big ambition and you don't know coding, you don't know where to go, you'll get frustrated, you'll get disappointed, you won't move forward very fast, and you'll hate game making. So just take it baby steps, and yeah. Sheep away. He was here in the beginning of the stream. You know what time it is? Costa asked. I don't know what time it is. It's 21. Is it football time? I heard England is playing Wales, so... So let's see here. I've been talking again too much. So parachute, I was gonna show, it's so easy. And then I talk for 6 hours. So we named this to parachute. And under object, we just choose the parachute. Does it have some ugly artifacting going on? But did I actually make it now? Where's the camera? So now the camera is a floating object in the sky. Oh, you lost. It's already over. Sorry. And welcome Envision Net. But yeah. Holy. But yeah. Where's the... Oh, we made it visible. None. When we started. I don't follow football too much. But I knew that much was there. Oh, I won too. Yeah. So now we have a... Look. In that time I created a backpack that's not floating there. Doesn't look that amazing, but hey, it's still in the game. So now what I want to do is actually in the parachute thing, I'll actually remove all of this. Let's remove it. Now there's going to be a lot of we add gravity to the object. Actually, let's just go to character. Let's see, just here. Gravity. We want gravity, we want collision, and we want movement. So, was it with a big G, I guess? Gravity, collision, and we need movement. And then it's gonna complain because it's not gonna have all the initial variables set. So then we need to go to our, we can probably look at our block and root object and create kind of, whoa, where did it go? I saw it pop up. Did you guys see it pop up? That's there, right? Create, and then you pop up. Where is it? What's that? Where did it go? Where are you? Maybe I close it. Okay. Can I now root object? There we go. I think this is almost like the minimum. We need those, not all of those. So in the parachute or whatever we call it, create, control, We had code, and then we had here, and I don't think we need those two, but we do need those other ones. So collision will make it collide automatically. Sup, Riley? Oh, Sturge got to go for England in the last 2 minutes. Yeah, it must have been an exciting match then to watch. Oh, cool. Greece is not even in Euro, but I think France is gonna get it. Yeah, Finland, you have no chance in football. We suck. We know ice hockey, but nothing else. The ice hockey is like a tiny sport, so who cares? Great turnout, man. Yeah, there's a lot of new people, a lot of new faces. Welcome. Please tell about your games you're making, because clearly mine's having problems. Oh, the collision expects arguments, are we? Are we expecting arguments? Who's made you expect arguments? Who's coding this? So it will. This was collision horizontal, vertical, and then what it will collide with. Björn, we also have rally racing in Finland. Yeah, we have rally racing, but yeah, who cares? So now it's following that backpack. Oh, I fell off the edge of the game. So now we have a small... Oh, what happened with the backpack? Oh, there it is. Okay. This is not really great either. Oh, there it is. Come on, it's falling too fast. How is it falling that fast? That's the max vertical speed on this thing. I think we put it to like something crazy. Yeah, it should be the same as the character. Winter sports. We suck at winter sports, dude. We have nobody good anymore. Like Norway and all of them are ruling us. Alright, let's see here. Oh, crap. Oh, so now we have that. Oh! So it doesn't initiate the falling of the block, so it can get stuck now and stuff. Yeah, we fixed those bugs. How was that done? So let's look at root object step event. Oh, it's the fall script. So it makes it start falling. Where do we have the fall script? Is it under system? No. Block probably. Fall. There we go. So here we need to say if it's named object character. I think I actually didn't put the prefix on this, which is bad. Or if not and, or where do we have or? Actually, let's rename this to object parachute. Copy that, rename, add it there. Björn and I. Björn and us. No, it's Björn and us. Us Arashes. I think I've copied pasted something here. Too many parentheses or something. Oh, there's the game. It didn't start it. Come on. This is not a test. Nope, it doesn't start the object falling. Where did I add it? Parachute. Parachute. Object collidable. It is. Is it? It's not part of object collidable. That's what it is. So we need to add it as an object, parent to object collidable. Now it's an object collidable. Things can collide. Only Björn will give me feedback. That's just for talking. So now, actually, this makes like a. Oh, how am I gonna ever catch up with that now? Oh, I need a parachute. No. Come on. Come on, parachute. No. Let's see. Can I get up to it? No, I don't think I can get up to it. Only Bjorn gave me fever. He's the comic relief. No, Rush not the comic relief. Yeah. We're both the comic relief. You guys are the guys who come in with the content. I need a drink after that. But yeah, I don't know. I kind of don't want it now to do that. Why does game making have to be so hard, guys? Tell me. Why does it have to be hard? This is always the problem. Like, it's easy to make a copy or a genre that's already exists. Oh. Parachute file not set before reading it. Let's just remove this. That's a mighty big glass you have there. Yes. Object parachute falling. Why would a parachute be falling? What did I do with it? I don't know, falling here. Maybe just make it no apparent. Maybe it doesn't need to be an object collidable. I have the parachute! Oh yes, I win the game! I win the game! Oh no, he dropped it. Yes, I have it again. Oh no, I dropped it. I need to get to it. Oh no, it pushed me away. It pushed me away again. Oh my god, the parachute is an asshole. Come here, parachutes. Fast. Come on. Mine. My parachutes. Yes. Oh. That's interesting side effect. I thought parachute wasn't an object collidable anymore. Then why is it colliding with it? Interesting. Interesting. Oh, I need to get better headphones. These hurt my ears. Or maybe it's the music. I don't know. Either or. So... there we go. Boom. So it's actually good. You can catch it up, but then when you touch it, it actually... Let's look at the execution order of things. Because that matters, guys. So, no. Instance order. Oh, the camera. What's the camera? I don't have a camera anymore. Let's delete this. It thinks it's a camera. And let's put object parachute in. What? There we go. And then what we do is views. Yeah, okay, understands it's object parachute. Object camera. Everybody went to sleep. I rushed too. So now if I'm falling, so now there's no problem. No problem. Oh, now there is a problem. Anyway, So let's look at, we can actually do, Arash is gonna make all the sounds for the robot. He's gonna be like, that's also how he sleeps. Houston, we have a problem. Did you have, Arash, today in Discord a problem with the voice? Where it wasn't, oh crap, I'm gonna get pummeled by those. Yes, I am the winner! Oh yes! Oh no, I am gonna die. Come on back. I have it. So now if I touch it, it goes like, that's very weird. Nope. Weird. Maybe it's only with us. Or maybe sheep didn't tell you that it was going bah. Best. I'm just gonna call it best. Thanks for the follow, dude. Welcome to the company of devs. Okay, let's see here. What are we gonna do? So the falling, the parachutes. Wicket. Maybe ask Wicket. Who is Wicket? So in jump we had this messy piece of code. Vertical speed minus 0. Maybe we can make it smoother. It's bigger than. Let's see now, once we fall. We need the parachute as a reference object so we can see if it's laggy. Oh, no! Oops. Can I get up? Or did I get deleted? There we go. Yeah, now it's moving a bit more smoothly, I would say. Down was a bit better, but it's slower up. But that's I think how it should be. Oh, ow. It's weird at the... Maybe we need to... What if I make the object parachute anyway an object collidable? I don't think the object collidable has any requirements, does it? It did throw an error when it did that, but I don't know why. Variable parachute falling, not set before reading it. Did we have it in an init character like a falling? Find falling. No. Why would it need it? What script was trying to access that? Let's see. Object fall, if falling. Or maybe we just make it, set it, that it has it. I guess everything that's not a character needs to have it. If it's a collidable, it's kind of a bug, but let's just make it falling false so it doesn't do anything. Bjorn on Darash, I will be sure to have a playable version until next Tuesday next week. Cool. Then just go to gamedev.com. let us show it for the people who haven't seen it. So you go gamedevcompany.com, and here you will have our magnificent website made with the most buggy code that we have. Here you can also kinds of crap. You can see our Discord. Oh, look, Adir, welcome to the Discord. We can stalk you from here. Oh, some people are. I'm even in there. Holy crap. Here you can see our schedules. So Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. MTT. Here are more Discord things, rules and stuff. But anyway, submit your game. This is what you want. Submit your game. Explains a bit of what needs to be due. We analyze it. It's 2 devs on a couch, first playable. And we let you know in advance by email. So you have to put your email name, link to your game download. A game description is optional, or you can write something there. And then if you have any special requests like don't go left because left sucks, then yeah, you can look at that. So now it didn't crash. Let's see if it still pushes me away when I'm on it. Now I can float above it. So now if I go in the, oh yeah, it still does that. That's very weird. Ooh. Oh. Let's try to punch it. Come on. Come here, you bag full of candies. Actually, in the weapon throwable, in the object shuriken, I think I had a slight rotate script. So if not then rotate. What if I add that to the parachute? Let's see if it has any requirements. After collision, it does a small rotate skip if it's not grounded. But my game is only going to left. Oh crap. I'm sorry, my friend, then. Then you cannot send it. You cannot send it if it's only going to left. Björn will not understand it. Oh yeah, we need rotation speed. We can actually look here in the object shuriken. Actually, the shuriken has the falling falls, does it? In it throwable. Oh. In it throwable. Where would that be? Weapons. In it throwable. Okay, that's probably too high for this. Again, it went somewhere. Come back. Silly goose. Stop hiding from me. That's too fast. 1 is probably enough. If someone would make a game where you can only go left, that would be kind of interesting. So now it rotates while it's in the air. And then it throws color not set. Oh. It needs to have a color now. Everything needs to have a color. Let's just use the same as the characters. Parachute. Create. Color maroon. Okay. Now we can run and particles fly from it. Of course, now it will only rotate into one direction, but to the song of One Direction, of course. Ooh. Oh, actually it went up now. Didn't it go? Oh no, you get now. It's very weird. The block doesn't do that. Let's look at what the block has in the step event. Oh, a lot of crap here. Yeah. Doesn't really have anything that would affect that. You can go right, but the level is going to the left. What if the level is going to the left, but you're going, it's panning right? Right? No, makes no sense. A game where you can only turn left. An FPS where you can only turn left, so if your aim is just to the left of the enemy, you have to do a 360 and shoot it. Let's see here. So we now have the parachute falling. Actually, we should now change one thing. Test area. Let's go to use. We actually don't need this to be that big. So the camera only moves once it's actually at the core edge of the screen. It gives a bit more like flexibility. It's kind of lagging behind. Oh crap, it got stuck there. Oh, maybe I have time to jump there and push it off. There we go. Oh, crap. Come on, move. Oh, look. Huh, that's a bug. That's a bug if anything. So it only detects the first thing colliding. Interesting. I wonder if it returns an array then. Come on. How did it suddenly become this difficult to get it down? Come on, fall off! There we go. So now it's at the edge, so I can fly here. Oh, now it's pushing me up. Can't even get close to it. Oh, now it pushed me down again. So how was your shower, Adair? I hope it was good. A cool shower or a hot one. Yeah. Whoa! Showers. I don't know. Showers. Let's all get excited about showers. Let's give a clap for showers. I don't know what that was. I'm weird. I get odder by the day you follow me. For every follow, I will get odder and odder until I lose my mind. My mind breaks in half and I become two personalities. Kill character, reset character, get, rotate, damage, movement, gravity. So, you're squeaky clean now. Ow, ow. I really want to rework the collision script. It's really crappy. It is terrible. It is terrible, terrible. Terrible, terrible. Björn will get Otter. Otter will get Björn. High five! Psh! Otter, high five! Everybody hit the screen on the Otter. I can't do it, but do high five on the Otter. Otter, I will get Otter script. Otter script. And Otter people. The Otter people will come. Will come. The other people will come to my stream. Alright, let's look at the script. Let's think. I'm trying to think, what should I do? I need to fix that thing, but I don't know if I need to. Whoa. Will it come back? Didn't it come back? Where did it go? Oh well. Otter. I will get Otter. Otter high five. So Metal box, object cloud block, shuriken, object slash. I have lots of objects already. Actually, I haven't figured out what to do with the elemental yet. I need to do something with it. Shuriken, which we won't use. Sprite parachute, and we have lots of scripts that we don't need. Well, not lots. We only, I think this damageable shouldn't be here. Let's move it in the root folder. Particles, game modes, blocks, system, character. That should be big P. Big P, small p, every kind of p. That should also be big P, but whatever. Any ideas, guys? I should make it so it doesn't put that on by default. Where was that? In preferences, I think. Forms. Remove grid on by default. There we go. How long is this? Holy monkeys. So we can have different timed falling. Eat it! Eat it! Nope, didn't I press play? I think I just closed. I'm cheating. Can I get to the other character? Yeah, I can. Oh, nope, nope. Oh, I'm stuck. Maybe that 32 was a bit big. What? 24? Maybe 100 pixels. Let's make it 96, so it's like a bit. Alright, let's see here. So we should make, now I should may enable you to pick it up somehow. And that way this shouldn't actually be object collidable. Because I don't want it to be actually colliding. But yeah, that's a bit of a problem if it gets stuck on things. You can never get up to it then. What if we go here and no, not in step, in create, and actually just instead of put falling to true, because then what it will do is it should actually make the blocks without any kind of fancy coding or object collidable. Actually it doesn't, because it needs to be object collidable, yeah. Nobody likes Arash's otter. Let's see here. Here it only checks object collidable. What if I just made it all collidable? Hope the plane doesn't make stuff fall. Object plane falling. Yeah. Abort. I think if I make the background object plane. I thought it didn't have a collider. Oh, it does. I should center it. Can't I turn off the collision? I could make it manual and just set it to 0, 0, 0, but I don't know if that's a smart move. Solid, whatever solid, persistent, uses physics. Mask. What's character, no collision? Maybe we should try that. Same for clouds. Nope, nothing there. Mask, character, no collision. How the plane should start crashing into blocks. But it still does. Not set before reading it. Same as Sprite. I thought I put it to no collision. Okay. No collision. Let's see here. We don't want the plane to crash. Sup, custom? Coming back from some crap? Craps are good. I like crap. Yeah, I think it's now fixed because I haven't seen that error. Is there actually a way to stretch the background? Background. Stretch. Oh, we can stretch it. Homemade crepes. Only the best for you, Costa. Only the best. Oh, yes. Now we have a nicer background too. One click fix. Well, it even looks like there's like a stream of air in the background because the brush is like painted. Uh-oh, we're getting close to the ground. It's turning red. We're burning up in the atmosphere. Oh, wow. Now actually what we should do is I only made this so you could, let's make these here. There we go. I'm better at cooking than programming. You are better. Yes, I like batter. Batter is the best. Oh, it's actually not that big of a problem now that actually everything just starts falling. Can the robot get back? Yeah, I can. Cool. The delay between is not that big now. Stupid, stupid. Get away from it! Get away! Get away! Mine! My parachute! You will never get it! I am the robot! I am the robot! Don't come here! Oh, we both died. Nope. You can't land, custom. You will go. That's the whole game mode. You need to catch that parachute and get it. The person who has the parachute survives. Let me get the parachute. Splat crunch. Crunchy splat. I thought that Arashi don't like crunch. Captain Crunch or any crunch. Oh, look. Look who's cheating right there. Let's go and get him. Let's go. Smash. Oh, that's interesting, bug. So when I do the slow motion, what happened there? It seems like it's not affecting the falling of the... It's not affecting the falling of the... I thought the object parachute used movement. It is using movement. I thought movement had the... Does do global timescale. Interesting. 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 Björn can only beat me when I'm not there. Beat you with what? A stick? I beat you with a stick. No, I don't beat him. He beats himself up with a stick. We could add some level stuff here. So we only have like clouds here in the beginning now. Actually, what if we add some objects here? Let's see, background, no, objects, background. Let's add some clouds all over the place. They actually have to be delayed because they're gonna be moving. Actually, should be only moving or doing anything if you're in the... Let's see what that looks like. Random adding. This is how you do level design. You just click everywhere like this. Then you have level. Very easy. Very easy. I've been doing this for years. Where are you? Oh, look, clouds. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Seems like the bag's not like... For some reason it's not affected by it. Is it the execution order? It could be. Let's see here. Arm test. Instance order. Where is the parachute? There is no parachute. The parachute is a lie. There it is. So what if I move it all the way to the top? I think it's like that. Oh, the character should be also moved all the way to the top. I think. Not the plane. Where are the characters? Oh, they are here. So now move it down a couple. There's no other characters here, no. Bye, Fabi Play Games, YouTube. Alright, dude. Try to get some sleep. So now if I slow... No, it's still... Why the hell is it like only affecting the characters, not the backpack at all? Very interesting. I'll figure it out at some point. It's not really important right now. You can always... It's just cheating right now because people can be like, you're going for the backpack. Oh, I'm slowing down the backpack. Yeah, it's not. Everything else is affected except the backpack. Very interesting. Is it because it's not object collidable? What happens when you touch the backpack / parachute? Wouldn't you like to know? Yeah, it's still not doing it. It's like speeding into the atmosphere if you do that. I don't think it has anything to do with that. No parent. It's using this that is removing it. Just taking time global time scale. We can make here also a group called objects. So we have the same. What the hell is this? Ball. What is a ball? I don't think that's in use. 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1 spoon salt, 1 cup of flour, 2 big spoons of butter. Yeah, crepes are easy to make, yeah. I don't actually use a recipe, you just know when it's the right thickness and it's awesome. So the idea is that when you touch it, you actually equip it and then everybody else is trying to steal it from you. The person who has that end wins because he has a parachute, so it goes and then you go and everybody else goes. It goes vertical max speed, rotation speed, so step event, be right back evening, be right back evening, evening be right back evening. Could it be the gravity script that it's actually not applying it to that? It's putting the vertical speed. And vertical speed is applied here. Why doesn't this work? I have to leave it for 30 minutes, then cook and like 3-4 books. Sad face, lol. I thought you were gonna be away. How do you hear my comments, huh? You alright? Yeah, you're tricky man, tricky. No, I was kidding. Why is it doing that now? So I guess if I remove the Y, it's not gonna fall, right? So it is using that. The magical backpack. Everybody wants the magical backpack. Whoa. The space game. The Space Odyssey 2015. No wait, 16. 416 FPS 2 max FPS 600. Is this Minecraft? I don't know. Is this? You can make it snow. Jingle snow, snow all the way. We make it snow from the clouds every day. Hey! Jingle snow all the way. Yeah. Oh, I can't hit him anymore. Maybe I can get him from this side. Oh, come on, turn. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Object slash falling. That's interesting. Yeah, that wasn't a good idea. Maybe we should just make this object collidable, and then we go to the fall. So anything that has the fall, it doesn't check all objects. It actually checks just object collidable. Collidable. But yeah, it seems to be using this movement to fall, but why is it? Tricky this one is. Show debug movement I write. No movement. Show debug message. I mistakenly not forgot. And nobody knows this reference, that is too young. What you're making, wait, what are you even using there? Niels Noah, I'm using Game Maker. So 0, 20, 20, 0. So look, it's not affecting it at all. Yeah, so this is Game Maker, and hiya, Niels. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Calm, you filthy casual, go in the corner. The female eye, the human eye can only see through the FPS. Actually, in our subconscious, we probably could see more. Oh, the winner is you. Niels Noah. So, yeah, we're using Game Maker. What are you using? Are you making game? What is this game about? I don't know. What is it? It's about falling and bugs. It's mostly about bugs right now, and about the backpack falling down the sky. So this is oh. Ooh. Oh. No, 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 no. Come on. Where did my robot go? Come on. Oh. So 0, 0, 0. So when I click this, it doesn't change that. Why not? It's the $1 million question. Because it's using the exact same script. And it's taking a global time scale. Show debug message. I think someone walked in when I talked like Yoda. Do you want to help me with Dota modding if you know how? Nope, no, I don't have any Dota modding experience, but there might be someone in the community that knows something. Actually, the guy who would know something is probably Sheep. Maybe, I don't know. So it's all the time 1. That's a global variable. How could that be? It's a global. But I know about general programming, so there might be help from that. Yeah, so we have Discord, like Arash is saying, and it's just a chat, and you can and voice chat, so you can message us, we can talk. We're all there all the time, basically almost 24/7. Almost. Sup, Achom. Welcome to the stream. We are making a weird ass game here. What's up? Let's see here. So vertical speed, time scale. Where are we setting it right now? How are we even doing that? I think wasn't there a bug earlier? Let's close the sprites. We're not looking at sprites. I think we have this ugly ass gamepad script. So if timescale is bigger than time button, then timescale is time button. Cool. Love. Lots of love. Let's see here. There is only love here. 00101. Oh, thanks for the follow, Niels. Welcome to the company of game devs. You are now one of us. So, let's see here. It's very weird. So when I click this, it applies to everything else except one thing. What is the goal of the game? So the goal of the game actually is there's a competition called the Game Development World Championship. Noise. So there's game. Oh, high five, Otter people, high five. So I'm still working on the basic gameplay, by the way. So there's this the GDVC, I think. So Game Development World Championship 2016. So I'm making just a fun game for that. What I'm doing is just because it's hard to have deadlines. If you're an indie developer like me, it's hard to have deadlines, saying I will have this game ready by this day. So this is, I think, at the end of September the game needs to be ready and submitted to go into this competition. So I'm using it to motivate and get this game out really fast and get something I don't think I'm gonna win. Are you a pro? I've been programming 20 years. Pixel art I'm quite new to, but Arash, who's in the chat, he's my artist, and he has probably, I don't know how many years, he can tell himself, 10, 15 years of art. So yes, I'm a professional. But this game I'm making for fun on my free time. This is me out of work. So I do work during days. Always after work, I come here on Mondays, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we stream. So it's after work hours. And you can check out the games we made from what Arash just posted. A lot of weird stuff and a lot of non-weird stuff. But yeah. Pretty. Kissy face? Is that kissy face or which one is that? I don't know. I never know. You young kids and your emoticons. I don't know. I'm just kidding. Bad joke. Haha. I think I fixed this, but I don't remember what it was that did this. If global delta is bigger than the time button, then put it. But what resets this? Does it reset in the system step event or something? Yeah, it does set it back to 1. And here it also increments time. The global time. Oh, you're in high school. Cool. Welcome. We have a lot of I think from 13-year-olds to 41-something-year-olds. So, welcome, Gamester. I'm using right now Game Maker engine. And it's using Game Maker language programming. Yeah, about 20 years already. I'm getting old. But professionally, of course, not 20 years. I'm not that old. I was about 11 or 12 when I started programming, like a bit more seriously. But yeah, this Game Maker, it's not the most professional game programming language, but hey, it gets the job done. I did a lot of Unity, like 5-6 years of Unity in C#. That's where I have a lot of experience. So if you're making your game in Unity, I can probably help you. It's focused on app development, web and mobile. Okay, yeah, I've done also web and mobile, so I have experience in that, so I can help you. Pressure, pressure. Oh. Just kidding. No pressure, dude. Everybody is. JavaScript? Who said JavaScript? But no, JavaScript doesn't actually suck. Almost everything in web is these days coded with JavaScript front ends and back ends with Node.js. But yes, not JavaScript in games. Games and JavaScript don't yet go well together. Arash's son grow fast. Hello left, Habibi. Where is right, Habibi? Yeah, this is not JS. Yeah, JavaScript is okay. There's nothing wrong. I think there's a lot of programmers. There's this kind of how to say, who's the smarter, what's the right language kind of thing going on, you know, between a lot of programmers. Like, oh, this is the ultimate language. You can only write in assembly or binary. You should everything that's not you know, machine language is the optimal coding language. Everything else is shit. Or Unity is the best game engine. Or Godot is the best engine. Or Unreal Engine. That's all BS. You know what is the best engine? The one you know how to use. The one that makes the game that's amazing. And every game engine has an amazing game made. That means that every engine is amazing. So forget all that nonsense about what is the best programming language, what is the best. There is no best. There's good coders who finish their products, makes good games or good web apps or good web pages, and then there's people who don't do that, and that's it. It's like if you make a table, if you just practice making a table, it doesn't matter what tools. You can choose like chainsaw. There's people who make statues with a chainsaw. I'm very sure if you use sandpaper and chisel, it would be much smoother, but it would take much longer time. Chainsaw statues. I mean, look at this. These are made with chainsaws. Okay, they probably went and smoothed it out, but they made rough shapes in chainsaws. So, I'm very sure that, you know, that it doesn't matter. It's not the tool, it's how good of a programmer, how much practice you have. That's what matters. JavaScript is not the one with no. It's not the one with it's called strictly typecasted. It's not the only language that's not PHP, JavaScript, a lot of them. Source engine, well, I guess the source engine itself you could use. Chainsaws! I haven't made myself anything in... You could use Gary's mod. Yeah, I know which one you're talking about, definitely. I know what the source engine is. But yeah, this slow-mo thing doesn't work. Oh, this is the results screen. It looks like crap, by the way. So parachute is straight here. System is the first thing that's run. There's not two parachutes in it. Para. There's only one. Why is that the only object where it's not? It's only one. There's a bug here that I don't understand. I played D&D finally, Björn, says Rap. It was fun till I made a mistake and shot a friend in the back. Yeah, you have to be careful. It's a game where the character actually can die. And then all your friends get to continue and you're left behind or have to create a new character. So yeah, be careful. So now when I press it, yeah, and still, it does not likes me. It does not likes me. It's set to 1 all the time. Oh no, I used improper words. Yes, it's very dangerous, rap. I wanted to play D&D, but I only found some really weird dudes who wanted me to read 20 pages of rules instead of just explaining it to me. Yeah, D&D has a lot of rules, but yeah, you have to find a good DM. That's the hard part. I've been now playing role-playing games for how long? Our group's been playing for 4 or 5 years, I think, already. It's been a long time. And then there was a longer pause. But it wasn't D&D, it's role-playing, pen and paper. All D&D players are weird dudes. Thanks, so I'm a weird dude. Thanks, guys. I'll go and cry to myself to sleep. How can you say this to me? How can you say this to me? So horizontal speed, global time scale. Why would it not work? What work? This is one of the mysterious game-breaking codes. You're weird in a good way, Björn. Ndroib. What matters is the inside of the harp. Signed, rap. Yeah. Actually, some of the weird people, like, let's say, you know, who a lot of people think are weird. Actually, they're really cool people once you get to know them. And the thing that makes them weird is just, it makes them, I don't want to say special. I think a lot of people, most people are weird in their own way. Actually, the people who kind of act normally, those are the people who creep me out because, you know that they are weird. They're just, holding it in, right? Like nobody's going like this all day. I'm going to work. Hello, guys. Well, you can be like that, but then you're probably a pothead or something. Anyway, level 2 is almost done. What have you done, Nakam? Just need some turrets and a boss. You don't need turrets and boss, you just need to go left. Just go left and you're fine. Niels, I'm probably the weirdest guy you will meet in some time, but you don't know cause it's the internet. Spooky. Well, now that you're in Discord, maybe we will talk live 1-to-1. I am on voice. I try to be like every day sometime on voice, and then we chat all the time throughout the day in the chat. Sorry, Björn. I will never forgive you, rap. You are now Habibi number 3. Number 3. Oh, am I talking about Rush? I don't know who I'm talking about anymore. Oh no! What did he say? Yeah, Arash is normal, but he's scary. He's a master. Oh, no, wait. I wasn't supposed to say that. Just kidding. Arash is a cool guy. And watch Arash on Mondays. You will see him, another weird guy, streaming on this channel. My secret has been reviled. Not revealed, but reviled. Not the number 3. Yes, it's an uneven number. That's the unlucky number in Asia. Do we have anybody from Asia yet join? I don't think we have anybody from Asia. Niels, are you from Asia or are you from Sweden or Denmark or Norway? What is about 3? Don't worry, Niels, don't worry. You will get on to this. This is, we have our own, number 3 is the worst, Niels. Just avoid number 3. Yeah, Arash actually is from Asia. And that's why he's so unlucky, because he believes in the number 3. Actually, Ross is from Asia, so that's it. We have one guy from Asia. But we don't have any like Chinese or Japanese. Don't be racist! Oh, you're from Finland. You're more Finnish than me sometimes. Because of your worrying. Stop worrying, Arash. Let's see here. I don't know why would it do this to me? Why would it do this to me? I believe in further too. Oh, you're from Germany. I was just guessing, dude. Wir haben viele Deutsch sprechen. Oh. I don't know actually what is the German people. Deutsche folk? I don't know. You will be banned. Yes, I am already banned. The life, universe, and everything. Okay. The chat is very weird today. What are you on, chat? Mention. That's humans. Deutsche Menschen? Is it Deutsche Menschen? Are you cursing? Fabi is from Deutschland? Deutschland? I don't know. No, that people. Oh, I won't speak more German. I'll get executed by the German people. Oh no, because of my bad German. Yeah, I never studied it. Personen? Deutsche Personen? Deutschland Personen? Deutsche Personen? I don't know. Ich spreche keine Deutsch. Ich kann nicht es sprechen. Sprechen? I don't know. My dialect is really bad. It depends if we like you or not. Yeah, Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. What about that? That's the one name of a book. I just don't know what you were saying it about. The number 42? He's trying to say, because the 42 number is from Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. It's the answer to all the mystery of, what was it? The meaning of life. The answer is 42, but they don't know what the question is. No, I ruined the whole book for everybody. No, I'm kidding. That's not really big. I never saw the movie. I should have seen it. I'll go see it. So yeah, I don't know why the bag's having Lou, the #1 candy manufacturer, okay, cookie manufacturer, Lou, sponsored by Lou. Not. I wish we were sponsored by Lou. You get a lot of cookies. I like cookies. I bought cookies yesterday. And I was gonna eat them, but then I actually didn't eat them because I got so stuck on making animation. So what I've been doing on my free time is learning pixel edit. So if you haven't used it, you should get it. It's like nothing. It's like $9. So if you have any money, I would invest it in pixel edit. It's with a Y, pixel edit. So actually I was working on just practicing. This won't necessarily go into the game. Been practicing working on the ninja animation and stuff like that. This is not any kind of art I will use in game because I use references and stuff like that like I don't want to use. But so I've been working on kind of making the animation more nice, or practicing animation. So let's see. I brought street shoes for $7. Cool. But the running animation really sucks. I need to work on that. And then I have an idle. Very simple. This is more using kind of puppet kind of animation, I guess. This is more like frame by frame using smearing for the fist and stuff like that. But anyway, back to this. This, like I said, that's if you're making your first game, don't go that detailed. Just do what I'm doing here even. This is enough animation going on in this game. Yeah, I have this weird bug. It's not saying Lou this time. Why is it not applying it to the parachute? Is there any difference between this and, let's say, Well, we don't need it to be persistent. Both are in step, right? And then the begin step, we have to get control pad, so it should be in the begin step. So you should anyway run before everything else. Oops, sorry. Everything's falling down. Boss is 3 times bigger than you in the game. Cool. It should be. It should be 4 times or 5 times. Maybe he's too lean when running. Yeah. It gets a bit hard when he's leaning forward so much. But it's just practice. Practice, practice. Practice makes perfect over time. I don't even need perfect right now. And the parachute is not on a begin step, right? It's on step. Shadow of Colossus, yeah, hell yeah. That's, people haven't seen it or played it, they should get it. They should just buy a PlayStation 2 just to play that game. Well, maybe not. Maybe the number 3 is doing stuff. Are you doing stuff, Rap? Number 3 is giving me bad luck. I've never been this stuck. I don't know if I should just skip it and let it be. Phone goes off again. Oh, PS3 has it now? Cool. Does PS4 have it? Because who has a PS3 anymore? That's like old. I'm just kidding. Oh, look, you can see everything that's in here. But why wouldn't it? You have no way of killing. You shouldn't be. You should just leave it like that. There's no way of killing him. You just have to run past him or something. No PS4. Then it's crap. Don't get Shadow of Colossus. No, I'm just kidding. You should get it. Why don't they have a? Don't I have a? They should make a PC version. Do they have a PC version? Shadow of Colossus. That's yeah, PlayStation 3. Fumito Ueda. Should invite them to the stream. I challenge you, Fueto, to come to the stream from Japan. Yeah, this has huge bosses. Like, that's you, and that's the boss. And you actually run up the whole boss and attack him. So that's the boss. You're there. Where is there no footage of him running up the boss? Anyway, it's cool. I was about to say Last Guardian. But they're coming out with the Last Guardian finally. Oh, Sony owns it. Sony don't use PCs. They don't know what a PC is. They think people only use PS3s to pay their bills and program their games. They don't want to earn money. I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's sad. They can't make it for PC just because it's a Sony title. Last Guardian. Let's look at that. For all you guys, let's look at the Last Guardian. It's just a dog. Fumito Ueda, director, not designer. Designer Fumito Ueda, it's the same guy. Oh, PlayStation 4, 25th October. Not on PC, I don't care. Sup, Costa? Maybe in a moment. I kind of would like to figure out why the global variable is reset or something before. What if you just put timescale to 0.5? Let's see. Is that the problem? So now everything should be going at half speed. Let's see if... No, it's still getting it as 1. But it's setting it actually to system, step. This should actually not be step. This should be, you can actually change it here. I think change event to step begin step. Still weird. But it is not a gyro. Your crepe is not gyro. Well, now it's not working at all, did I? So in the begin step, maybe it should be end step. No. What is it even doing here? End step. Let's try it with end step. Best I've ever eaten. And you have eaten all the crepe of the world. Okay, now it works. So I guess it was somehow resetting it before the bag, which is weird because I changed the execution order. So now everything is moving in slow motion. It works! We fixed the bug. Whee! Slow motion is back. We should make the particle effects also slow down. Lou! Number 1, Lou. We could actually make, like, if we spend enough time level designing, we can make it spell out like Björn and Arash and Habibi and shit in level. It actually wouldn't be that hard to do that. That if you walk certain pattern, it would spell out things in the level. Secret words that are the secret words that you unlock the secret level with. That only the secret people know. Alright, we fixed the problem. So let's see here. Save. Oh yeah, now I remember. I was playing it because I was gonna do something. So in script now, in the movement, no, not in the movement, in objects, object parachute, step, we can actually remove these debug messages. And then save, and now everything is all dandy again. Whee, whee, whee. Oh, it's not spelling out Lou this time. It's spelling out something else, I don't know. Now we need to make it so you can actually grab the parachute. Alright. Costa wants me to play this game so I can play it just shortly. Let's see here. So let's see here. Download this game. Oh, let's not publish it yet for everybody. Oh, Nope, the stream is up. Don't tell him, don't tell him. It is, yeah, I stopped the stream. I'm still here, guys. I'm not gonna stop yet. Arash doesn't know what JK means, so he just thinks it's me hitting the keyboard randomly. This is an interesting song. Can you hear it, guys? I don't know if I like it. Maybe. Why is my voice connected? I shouldn't be connected on voice while I'm streaming. It's coming back. It's getting good again. Still downloading. There we go. Brrrt. Where did it go? Unity. Let's do it windowed. So this is Costa's game. Let's hope. Can it fit the screen? Oh, there we go. Whoa, that's sensitive. Oh, the gray bar goes down when I hit. Does it go up ever? Come on, go up, gray. Right click. Look, I'm a pair of hands. My shadow. Cool. It's no zombies yet? Is that a zombie? It's a gyrating tree. Oh, it's just a shadow gyrating. The shadow is very harsh. Oh, what happened? Oh, the tree is attacking me. Get away from me. Yeah, the gray stamina, I guess, but it doesn't go up. I like this game from E3. It's the best game. Best of E3. So. Oh, my hand goes in. I can't do E on this tree, though. Can I? Oh, you have sprinting on shift. That's cool. And jumping. Holy! Oh, what happened now? Did I get stamina from that? I know it said press E. I'm just, but the tree doesn't. I have no stamina, but I can fly. I can fly! Now I can't jump anymore. Oh, now my hand got stuck. I broke my hand. Help me. Help me. I broke my hand. Cool, dude. Keep on working. You still, This is the game that Costa made. You have to cut it, the tree. But... And let's see if I can cut it. My stamina never goes up. There we go. There we go. I mastered you, tree. Oh, what happened? Where did it go? I ate it. I am Tree Decapitator 5000. Oh, it became barrels. Oh, I can take them up. Oh, there we go. Barrels. Lugs. Cool. Oh, I can't get to that one. I can't jump either. What happened now? Did I crouch? Something weird happened. Cool, just keep working on. Now I could jump. Now I can't. Now I could. Oh, now I can jump. Oh, the jump really feels weird, dude. Maybe look into that. Can I get out of the level? I probably can. And I kinda can sprint sometimes. Press I. Oh, inventory. Use wood. Cool. Proper MLG. Exactly. Let's see here. I can sometimes sprint, but it seems like when I go uphill, it actually sprints slower. So I guess it's not adding it as a function of the slope. Like it's not like, look at my mouse moving. Do you see my mouse? So it's not like pushing the speed as the slope. It's actually pushing against the slope. I think he's using a package to make it the basic, aren't you, Costa? The shadow is so creepy, yeah. Wait a minute, the mouse is... I can't look down anymore. There you go. Yeah, it's a bit creepy. The end of the world! I found you! Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes! Do I see any secrets in the world? Nope. Cool. Cool, dude. Thanks for sharing. Just keep on working on it. You know, you probably saw something. I will just add a soldier asset. Okay, cool. Are you gonna have like building and stuff? Yeah, so it's not that creepy. Yeah, maybe. My game is also creepy because you have a backpack and it spells out Lou. What? Now play my game. You should play my game. Crafting camps. Oh, this music is a bit... This music is bad. Let's turn this off. Not off. Let's go to the next song. What's that? I'm like a fish dance, like... I don't know, that looks creepy. Crafting camps and fire camps, cool. Neat, did you send it already? You probably did. I always miss you guys' messages. I'm like, I'm an idiot. I think you sent it somewhere. No, you didn't. I don't... Have you added anything, Mr. K? You should add something. You guys just do it, just do it. Oh. Oh, you made Crisis 3. We have the developer of Crisis 3 in the chat, everybody. His name is Xrap. Crisis with a, it's not Crisis, it's Crisis with a Y. Limited edition, only $99. Cool, you should check it out. It's Blacklight on Heem. It's like Steam, but only for Habibis. Yeah, the gun DLC is $4.99 in it. Okay. I don't mind, like, we do review the same games because it's nice to see the development, like, as you go all forward. So even if you have sent the game, you can resend it, but don't send it if you haven't changed anything or made any major, like done any major, like, updates. So, all right. Yeah, let's see here. Just do it, do it. And the level DLC for $4.99. Yeah. Where do I go in Discord? For what? What do you need, Niels? Just ask. So in Discord we have different, like, coding help, art help, hardware help, and in general you just talk whatever. And stuff like that. Oh, Maybe ask in general if anybody has experience, Niels, first. And then if it's a coding problem, just ask in the coding help. Yeah. Or like in Xbox, where you have to pay a subscription per month to get online. Then you have to buy the game, and sometimes you have to pay a subscription for the games. It's like, I'm paying subscription on subscription on subscription for the honor to stare at this. And then you have to buy the console, and you have to buy a TV. It's crazy. Well, actually, usually you don't have to pay a subscription for the game, as I know, but anyway. Yeah, I think the health bars, well, I made the health 0 now, so it doesn't matter. But I guess they're still bugging. Where were they even? Actually, they're not following. Yeah, because we scaled it down again. Yeah. We need to figure out that scaling with health bars. And then next, we need to make it so that you can grab that pack somehow. This is a weird song. I don't know if I like this. Alright. So yeah, you should be able to grab that. So when you collide with the object parachute, we shouldn't put it in collision, but you should do a check. If you collide with the object parachute, then you pick it up. And then if you hit the object parachute, you should drop the parachute. Then you should fly away, like, and then you can grab it. Alright guys, I think I'm getting too tired. I can see that this is not going forward. So now for the next part, we will, as always, commit our games. Let's save it first, everything. So we're using source tree to have version control. So I'm going to commit it. Here's all the crap we did. So we added a parachute, added a camera follow script. What else did we do? Made level 10 times longer. And temporarily removed health decrease. I guess that's the most important stuff we added. So let's commit that. So now it's committed. So now it's already zoomed up into the inters of net. And then if we go with the browser, you go to GitHub. So it's posted in GitHub. Again, game dev company in GitHub. Let's make a game. And then here you have 13 releases. So for every time I stream, so I've streamed 13 times now, guys. This is the 13th time I stream this show. So I've drafted a release. So here we started with almost nothing. So you can download the whole source and you can see what we had at the beginning and how we progressed. So now we'll draft a new release. This is not how you use Git, by the way. You shouldn't do a release for every time you code. This will be called Fixing the Camera. That was the major thing that we added, and this is the pre-release, and we publish it. So now you can actually download the whole source and all the stuff here on our webs of sites. So that's cool. So remember guys, we stream 3 times a week. Our schedule is Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. You can check it out at gamedevcompany.com. So we have Let's Make the Art with Arash. Then we have 2 Devs on a Couch with both of us, where we review your games. We play like pro games, and then we also we usually talk about some design topic, you know, about game making, you know, discuss different topic, like we set a topic. Then we have Let's Make a Game, which is today, where I make a game on stream live. I don't develop it outside of stream at all. So if you want for this Tuesday show, you can go to submit your game, and here you can submit your game to us. Submit it to devs. And then you can, we will review it, give you some feedback and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for following. You guys are awesome. You're the thing that makes the community. Join me on Discord right now. I'll be on Discord. I'll talk to you guys. You can have two-way voice, so I actually can hear you, or you can just send messages or questions or whatever. And yeah, check out Arash on Monday. As always, it's a pleasure, and see you next time.